Oh, okay. Yo, what's up? Okay, so hi, we are at this cafe. We got this chocolate drink. I think they tried to make it look like a lab, right? Like science and shit. Oh, ooh. Oh yes. Oh, it's long side. Oh, that's why. Fuck, it's long side. Okay, never mind. It's okay. It's okay. The drink. Heh. How's it? Is it gonna be good? Tastes like dark chocolate. Yeah, makes sense. I did order chocolate. Oh, it's good. It's good, chat. Good. Love it. It's okay. Yes. Everything is okay. It's a nice sunny day today, chat. Life. Instagram model. Instagram. Really important, chat. Really important for women. Hey. I am chilling. I'm gonna show you inside later. It's a coffee shop that look like a lab. They make it as a, you know, like you in a like lab or something, right? Like you are a scientist. There's no animal testing here. Just IG story. Really important. If you have time, tell me your life story. Short version. Yeah, I do have time. Short version, huh? Fuck, man, my life sucks. I hate my life. Everything is terrible. Just another relaxed day. Chill day for me. Sitting in front of this coffee shop, drinking. No more drink, but still sit here. How is everyone doing today? How is everything? Hi. Yo. Hi. How you doing? I can show you inside later. Wait. Patient. Wait. Later. Hello, good morning. It is a wonderful day to me. I have a nice day. Here's a nice day. Nice and wonderful day. Yeah, chat, today is nice. White chocolate with water. I have no idea. Just give me like this. I just say like chocolate, and they give me water too. It tastes like a soda water. I can like feel the bubble a little bit. Look at the view of this coffee shop. Yes. What do you think? Nice. Really nice. So cool. It's so awesome. I think this coffee shop look nice inside. Just for the taking a picture, I think. Well, I thought this place gonna be bigger, so that's why I'm here. That is the logo of the coffee shop. The name of it. Ice. Really nice. And ice. Do you want some ice? In Thailand, it's so safe. You can just leave your bag here. So it's not that safe, but you know, still safe enough. Hi. How are you doing? Yeah, I'm gonna go inside later. It's an interesting coffee shop. I feel tired. Try not to sleep. Stay awake. Awake. Where am I? I'm in Bangkok, Thailand. In this coffee shop. I just drink this chocolate drink dark chocolate. Lately I've been to a lot of coffee shop chat, and I don't even drink coffee. Just order like chocolate drink. But it's the interesting shop. Yes, really nice. Nice. Yo, almost every time I go to the coffee shop, it's like 4 or 5 o'clock. I'm not gonna drink coffee, man. Otherwise, I'm not gonna sleep. I just for the stream. I don't think I can sleep here. Are you crazy? Sleep here? Coffee shop. In front of this coffee shop. With all these people around. There's a lot of people in the shop. I'm gonna look like I look terrible, chat. No, I'm not gonna sleep here. I try to think of like comfortable way to sleep. To lay down, chat. Ugh. Cannot. Oh, chat, this nose uncomfortable. Yeah, it's not for sleeping, chat. Of course. Can you tell? There's no pillow. Can you think of the comfortable way to sleep here, chat? This is a good Instagram area for sure. It's like every coffee shop nowadays for Instagram chat. Or Facebook. Or something to take a picture. Who go to coffee shop to drink coffee anymore? Where you at? Well, where am I? Coffee shop in Bangkok, Thailand. Me? I'm sit here. Yes. Drinking. Well, there's no more drink. I drinking chocolate, but there's no more. Work hard, play hard. No pain, no gain. Go hard or go home. To be or not to be. 1 + 1 is 2. Oh, let the dog out. Are you a dog person or a cat person, chat? I like dog, but I do like cat too. Do I look sleepy? I think I look fine. I don't look sleepy at all, chat. Everything is awesome. I feel amazing. What did you click on? How high are you? I'm in a spaceship flying. This wall is blue. I'm wearing a green shirt. There's no drug involved in this stream, chat. Only a chocolate drink. Yeah. My life mixed with sugar and chocolate. That is the best drugs for me. I think anything can be drugs if you consume it too much. Anything. Are you not hungry? No, I'm not feel hungry. I like pizza, chat. I like pizza. But there are a lot of places that like, look good on the internet, but look okay in real life. Why do you look like schoolgirl? Do I look like woman? I don't think so. Well, my hair is getting long, chat. Yeah, sitting Andy. Yes, that is what I am right now. Don't you feel weird just sitting there for a long time, for so long? No. If you Google this, it looks amazing. But I'm gonna show you inside in a few seconds. Look at this, I have a cup. No more drink though, but I have a cup. Do you know what inside? I can show you. Open it. Yes, metal ice cube. It's not cold anymore, but you know I want to show. I think I already show you like 100 times already of this ice cube, but it's still really interesting, and it's so expensive. You know, it's my ice cube and my amazing cup. Okay, chat, let's go inside. Let's see what's up. Let's see. Let's look inside. We are in the lab, chat. Is it? Right. Looks like some canteen. Wow, that makes it sound so bad. This amazing style design. What are you talking about? I feel like a scientist Here, what do you mean? Look like some canteen. Look good. Look good. Canteen. No, it's not canteen. Look like a scientist study and shit. Yes, yes. Obviously, they make it look like we are in the lab. In the lab, chat. Really nice. Really nice. Look at that. That just look like the thing for the test and stuff. Where do they store the date? That is the interesting part. Maybe inside there. So cool, chat. So cool. They have drink, chat. A drink. Mostly coffee. Yes, yes, yes. All the coffee stuff. And milk tea and coke. I ordered this one, chocolate. Dark chocolate. And there are also other stuff. Really nice. Really nice. Amazing. Look at the table. Look at the table. The table, chat. The table. And the chair. What is this? Ooh, cool name. Yeah, sour strawberry. That is good name for. Of course, it's sour. The name is Pawn Star. You know, it cannot be sweet. Sweet is like I don't know, first love or something. Sour is Pawn Star. That yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Okay, chat. Yeah, this is a coffee shop. Yes, really nice, really exciting. Chat. Okay.